Why eating walnuts after 50 can work wonders for your health. As we age, our bodies go through various changes that impact our overall health, from metabolism slowing down to the increased risk of chronic diseases. While maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial, the foods we choose to include in our diet play an equally important role in aging gracefully. Among the array of nutrient-dense superfoods, walnuts stand out as a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for individuals over the age of 50. Walnuts are more than just a delicious snack. They are rich in essential nutrients, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support various aspects of health, from boosting brain function to enhancing heart health. Here's an in-depth look at why incorporating walnuts into your daily diet after 50 can work wonders for your health. 1. Heart health, a shield against cardiovascular diseases. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, especially as we age. Walnuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which has been shown to improve heart health. How walnuts benefit the heart. Lower cholesterol levels. The healthy fats in walnuts help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to heart disease, and walnuts contain anti-inflammatory compounds such as polyphenol and omega-3s. Improve blood vessel function. Regular consumption of walnuts can enhance endothelial function, ensuring that blood vessels remain flexible and healthy. Why it matters after 50. As you age, the risk of heart-related issues like high blood pressure and arterial stiffness increases. Including walnuts in your diet can help mitigate these risks, promoting a healthier cardiovascular system. 2. Brain health. Stay sharp as you age. Cognitive decline is a natural part of aging, but eating walnuts can help slow this process and even improve brain function. Walnuts are often referred to as brain food, thanks to their rich nutrient profile. How walnuts benefit the brain. Rich in antioxidants, walnuts contain high levels of polyphenol and vitamin E, which combat oxidative stress, a key factor in cognitive decline. Omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats support brain structure and function, enhancing memory and cognitive performance. Anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts help reduce inflammation in brain cells, lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Why it matters after 50. With the risk of conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's increasing with age, walnuts serve as a natural safeguard for maintaining mental clarity and focus. 3. Bone health, strengthening your foundation. Bone density tends to decrease as we age, particularly in women post-menopause, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Walnuts are rich in minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. How walnuts benefit the bones. Calcium absorption. Magnesium in walnuts aids in calcium absorption, ensuring stronger bones. Phosphorus. This mineral is essential for maintaining bone structure and health. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fats have been shown to reduce bone loss and inflammation in joints. Why it matters after 50. A diet including walnuts can provide the nutrients necessary to maintain bone density and reduce the risk of fractures, allowing you to stay active and mobile. 4. Gut health, a happy digestive system. Gut health plays a crucial role in overall wellness, influencing everything from immunity to mood. Walnuts act as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. How walnuts benefit gut health. High fiber content. Walnuts are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Support gut microbiome. Walnuts encourage the growth of gut-friendly bacteria, enhancing overall gut function. Anti-inflammatory effects. By reducing inflammation in the gut lining, walnuts support better nutrient absorption. Why it matters after 50. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance mental health, crucial benefits as your body becomes more susceptible to age-related issues. 5. Weight management, a smart snack option. While walnuts are calorie-dense, they can actually aid in weight management when consumed in moderation. Their combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber helps keep you feeling full longer. How walnuts support weight control. Reduce hunger. Eating a handful of walnuts can curb appetite and prevent unhealthy snacking. Boost metabolism. The healthy fats in walnuts help regulate metabolism and energy levels. Aid in portion control. Walnuts are satisfying and nutrient-rich, making it easier to control portion sizes. Why it matters after 50. Metabolism tends to slow down with age, making weight management more challenging. Incorporating walnuts can help you maintain a healthy weight without compromising on nutrition. 6. Cancer prevention, a natural defense. Walnuts are packed with antioxidants and bioactive compounds that may help lower the risk of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. How walnuts help fight cancer. Rich in antioxidants, walnuts contain ellagic acid and other polyphenol that combat oxidative stress and free radicals. Inhibit tumor growth. Certain compounds in walnuts have been shown to slow tumor growth and promote cancer cell death. Omega-3 benefits. These fatty acids reduce inflammation, which is a contributing factor in cancer development. Why it matters after 50. The risk of cancer increases with age, and walnuts provide a natural way to bolster your body's defenses against this deadly disease. 7. Diabetes management, regulating blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes becomes more prevalent as we age, but walnuts can play a role in managing blood sugar levels effectively. How walnuts help with diabetes. Low glycemic index. Walnuts don't cause spikes in blood sugar, making them a safe snack for diabetics. Rich in fiber. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, promoting stable blood sugar levels. Improves insulin sensitivity. The healthy fats in walnuts enhance the body's ability to use insulin effectively. Why it matters after 50. Diabetes management is critical for maintaining energy and overall health, and walnuts are a delicious way to support this.